Stop scrolling right now. Imagine turning the key and hearing a real V8 roar in a world full of quiet hybrids and electric cars. Imagine owning a true American muscle car that still makes sense for daily driving, long highways, and even resale value. This is not a dream. This is the 2026 Ford Mustang GT Premium, and today I'll tell you why this car is not just about noise and speed, but also about smart money, smart ownership, and smart driving for USA roads and for buyers watching from Asia. Let's talk price first because that's where most people decide yes or no. In the USA, the 2026 Mustang GT Premium starts around $47,000 and can go close to $55,000 with options. In Japan, after import taxes and registration, expect roughly 7.5 to 8.2 million yen. In ASEAN markets like Thailand, Malaysia, or Indonesia through import channels, pricing usually lands between $75,000 to $90,000 depending on taxes. Compared to European sports cars, this is still a bargain for the performance you get. Under the hood, you get a naturally aspirated 5.0-liter V8. No turbo complexity, no expensive hybrid batteries here. Power is around 480 horsepower, and what that means in simple words is this car feels strong the moment you touch the throttle. In city driving, it's calm if you want it to be. You can cruise slowly, the engine stays relaxed, and the automatic gearbox shifts smoothly. On the highway, this car feels made for America. Long straight roads, wide lanes, and high-speed stability are where the Mustang feels at home. Overtaking is instant. You don't plan passes, you just do them. Now let's be honest about fuel because this is where people worry. In real-world driving, expect around 14 to 15 miles per gallon in city traffic and about 23 to 25 miles per gallon on the highway if you drive normally. That's roughly 6 to 7 kilometers per liter in the city and 10 to 11 kilometers per liter on highways. No, this is not a hybrid, and no, it won't beat a Toyota Prius. But here's the smart part. You are buying a V8 without hybrid complexity. That means no expensive battery replacement after 7 or 8 years. Long term, many owners actually save money compared to performance hybrids with costly battery packs. Maintenance is another strong point. This is a Ford. Parts are everywhere in the USA, and even in Asian markets, Mustang parts are widely available through aftermarket suppliers. Regular servicing costs in the USA are reasonable for a performance car. Oil changes, brakes, filters, and tires are cheaper than European sports cars. In Japan and ASEAN, maintenance costs are higher due to import parts, but still much lower than Ferrari or Porsche ownership. Insurance in the USA is surprisingly manageable because the Mustang is common and well understood by insurers. It's not classified as an exotic car. Resale value is something people don't talk about enough, but it matters. The Mustang GT, especially premium trim with V8, holds value better than many people expect. Why? Because Ford keeps the Mustang identity strong, and V8 models are becoming rare. 10 years from now, naturally aspirated V8s will be even more special. In Asian markets, resale can be even stronger because demand for American muscle is always high and supply is limited. Inside the GT Premium, you feel the upgrade immediately. Leather seats, digital displays, modern infotainment, and proper driver assistance features make this car easy to live with. This is not a raw, uncomfortable muscle car anymore. You can daily drive it. You can sit in traffic with air conditioning, adaptive cruise control, and good sound insulation. That's why this Mustang works so well on USA roads. It matches American traffic patterns, parking sizes, and highway speeds perfectly. Now let's do a quick reality check against Ferrari and Porsche. A Ferrari gives you extreme performance and extreme attention, but the price is 3 to 4 times higher, and maintenance can be scary. Porsche, especially a 911, is brilliant in handling and engineering, but again, pricing starts much higher and options add up fast. The Mustang GT Premium gives you 80% of the thrill for maybe 40% of the price. And unlike Ferrari, you won't be afraid to drive it daily. Unlike Porsche, you get that classic V8 sound that many buyers still love. For overseas Asian buyers watching from Japan or ASEAN, this car represents American freedom. Wide body, strong engine, and simple mechanics. It's a statement car, but not an impractical one. Yes, it's wide, and yes, tight city streets require attention, but on highways and open roads, it feels perfect. That's why many Asian buyers use it as a weekend car while still enjoying manageable ownership costs. Ownership cost over 5 years in the USA is very reasonable for a performance car. Fuel will be your biggest expense, but maintenance, insurance, and repairs stay predictable. No surprise hybrid system failures. No exotic parts delays. Just solid, old-school engineering with modern technology layered on top. So who should buy the 2026 Ford Mustang GT Premium? If you want a car that sounds alive, feels powerful, looks iconic, and still makes financial sense, this is it. It's not trying to be electric. It's not pretending to be something else. It's proudly a Mustang, updated for modern roads and modern buyers. If you enjoyed this deep, honest review and want more real-world car content made for USA and Asian buyers, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. New car reviews, ownership advice, and smart buying guides are coming every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.